Slime?
Okay, come in. Strawberry frog.
He's gonna kick you.
Ow!
Welcome to DohMuchFun, where we'll show everyone we're having so much fun. It's so much fun.
This time on Chase's Corner! I'm not in my corner, but I have slime bath. Ooh! You guys want to make some slime? Here's your bag of slime salt.
What do you gotta do with it?
You have to sprinkle it in the
Okay,
water.
show me how you sprinkle. All over, sprinkle everywhere. That's 1 pack, but we're gonna use 2 packs. Now we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to get slimy.
It is slimy already.
Already? It's gonna get you. Whoa! Oh yeah, it says don't stand up, or else you could get hurt. Oh my goodness! Oh, Sharky!
Sharky malarkey!
There's a shark in our slimy bathtub.
Can I take it off?
You wanna take it off? Look at the slime coming out. Ew. This is so ew. Oh. Dude, you have a slimy foot. Ew, slimy butt. That's nasty. Oh, Chase, you have a visitor.
Hi.
I like warm slime. I think Olaf wants to go in the slime.
Okay, come in.
Okay, let's see. And oh, he floats. Oh no, Olaf can't breathe. Let's drop it. You ready?
Ah!
Do a belly flop. Ready? And go. Oh. Oh. Is that weird? Oh no. Slimy head Chase. Ready? Get the slime off your face. Here we go. We're filling up a water bucket. Oh, that looks like water, but it's slimy.
Super slow-mo water bucket challenge.
Oh, Bomber, go pee-pee. Jacuzzi activate. Push. Oh.
Yeah, Chase is farting.
Does Sean want to try? Go, Sean. Sean wants to try. Chase, you got your eyes closed?
Yep.
I put 5 eggs in the slime. Now there's 5 eggs and a bunch of toys. Hey, let go of that egg. All right, spin around. Try to find the egg, keep your eyes closed. That's a shark. Did you find an egg yet?
Nope. Oh.
Oh, okay, you got one? Open your eyes. And let's see what's in that egg.
A Foxy toy!
Is it? Alright, let's see. It's
Foxy!
a Foxy collectible plush doll.
Hey, can I go in there with you? Sure. Just don't get slime on you.
Ooh, how do I do that?
You just have to float.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna float in my boat. Ah!
Okay. Just settle down.
Dude, Foxy can't breathe. There's bubbles coming out of the water. Foxy! Keep your eyes closed. Oh, you got one? Alright, let's see what's inside.
There's water in it.
What is this?
What? Oh, this is. I don't like it.
Whoa, whoa. DC Comics original minis. Open it. See which one we get. Not underwater. Alright, I'll help Chase. And, oh, what do we got? What do we got?
Batman.
It comes with a little stand right here. So what's this guy's name?
Batman.
Alright, are you sure? I think it's Batman. Woo!
What?
Spin around and choose a new egg. That's Chuck. That's a piggy. You got it. All right, let's open it. Let's see what's inside.
Wait. Can you open it out? Ooh, Skittles.
You got Skittles?
Yes.
A Skittles Hot Wheel.
Oh, so how will?
We got sour Skittles and dude, a Skittles car. Why don't you let the car go into the slime? Catch it, catch it, catch it. Oh!
Wait, it sinks.
It sinks?
Yeah.
Oh, and then you got a Skittles hood. I don't know what that's for.
What's a hood?
A hood?
Yeah.
It's where you live.
I live in this?
Yeah, you live in that hood.
No, I don't.
Alright, now we got the Skittles Toss Challenge. And 1, 2, 3, oh! What flavor?
Hey.
Oh! Uh-oh, wait. Whoa, that almost reached the ceiling. Here. My next egg. That's a piggy! Okay, what do we got? Oh, you got it! Crusty chocolate bars? Oh, you pooped that, look! Dude, look at all these guys you can get. Who are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna get, him.
That guy? Alright, let's see who you get. Who are these guys? How many did you get?
One.
One? Oh, the shark just pooped.
Ew.
Ew. Pick up the sharky poop.
Sharks can't poop. They can only pee.
These are the 4 guys we got. We got Grotty Soap. I don't know who all these guys are. Comment if you know who these peeps are. Hey Chase,
What?
I like slime.
Okay, come in.
He's going.
It's a strawberry.
Little froggy.
Strawberry frog.
Alright, Froggy, you gotta get out now. It's not for you. He's gonna kick you.
Ow.
Alright, dude, last egg. Ew, gooeyes. Break it. Smack it. Crack it. Oh! Tsum Tsums.
Tsum Tsum?
Series 3 Tsum Tsum Mystery Pack with these guys here. Series 1 Mystery Pack with those guys there.
With girls and boys.
Let me open them.
Yeah. Who is it doing to him on me?
Oh, what? It's Iron Man? Eat a slimy Skittle.
Hey, they turned into a regular.
Chase is eating slimy. No, dude, don't eat the slimy Skittle. Show me. Say ah. Ew, eat slimy Skittles. That could be toxic, bro. Look, you got an Iron Man hand. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, I'm gonna put this away. This is pretty dangerous. Iron Man, tiny little Tsum Tsum.
That means there's water up there.
Look at the water. Whoa, look at the water. There's water out there. That looks cool, right? Looks like electricity.
Look,
Oh, you got Alice.
I got Bluetooth, the minion.
Bluetooth the minion. There's Alice Tsum Tsum. It also came with like a piece of cheese or something. Ew, mommy. Oh, that's gooey.
That's like when a dog slobbers on you.
Ew, you're right. It's dog slobber. Let's see. What's the last egg? Oh, that's not. Wait, you tricked me.
No, that wasn't me.
Who was it?
Minky.
Minky did it? Get out of here.
Hey, wait, you're all done?
Yeah?
You didn't invite me?
No.
I love slime.
Come in.
Okay, get ready, Chase. I've been known to make cannonball splashes. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Clarence is throwing up. Oh, Clarence is throwing up. Oh. Quick, we need medicine. Clarence is throwing up slime. Well, that's all the messy, slimy, gooey, nasty fun we have for today.
Yep.
So,
That's all for today on Chase's Corner. See you next time. Bye.
shout out Uncle Crusher
And
Anthony, Dingle Hopper's YouTube channel, because they did this. Check out their video with the crocodile dentist, right?
Yeah.
So go watch it.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.
My hands are so sticky.
CHEAT.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. MOMMYISGONNA. That's slang. WIN. Yeah, right? Yeah. Want to do that, Chase?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that a shark taking a shower? Sharky! Sharky! Hey! Shark, you can't use my shower! Excuse me, shark. Excuse me? Shark? Okay, bye, shark. Oh, it's Chase.